Welcome to Stylist Factory. If you're prepping for the Texas Cosmetology Practical Exam, you're in the right place. Before you even touch a mannequin, Texas is already grading you. Most students lose points here not because they're unskilled, but because they skip tiny sanitation details. Today, I'll walk you through pre-exam setup and sanitation the exact way TDLR wants it done. Do this right, and you'll earn free points before the exam even starts. We start with hand washing. Use soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Scrub your palms, backs of hands, between fingers, under nails, and even up past your wrists. When rinsing, angle your hands downward so dirty water runs off, not back up your arms. Dry thoroughly with a clean towel or disposable paper towels. Use that towel to turn off the faucet. Never touch it with clean hands. Now, gloves. Put them on in front of the examiner so they see you're protecting yourself and your client. Slide them on carefully, no snapping, no rushing. This shows control and professionalism. Your workstation is your stage. Here's what graders expect. Place a clean towel or barrier on the surface before setting out tools. Keep 3 bags visible and clearly labeled. Clean implements, soiled implements, and trash. Write it large enough for the examiner to see without asking. Disinfectant bottle stays upright, labeled, and within reach. Towels folded neatly, not draped randomly. Only set out what you need for this section. Extra tools stay sealed until it's their turn. Step back. Look at your station. It should look neat, organized, and safe. If it looks sloppy to you, it looks sloppy to the examiner too. Now, sanitation sequence. Texas requires spray, wipe, spray. Step 1. Spray disinfectant directly on the surface about 6 to 8 inches away for even coverage. Step 2. Wipe in an S pattern, corner to corner. This keeps you from recontaminating areas you just cleaned. Flip the wipe or towel halfway through, then discard it in the trash bag immediately. Step 3. Spray again, lightly, and let it air dry. Never wave your hand or blow on it. This exact order is what examiners are watching for. Cleaning just moves dirt. Disinfecting destroys bacteria. Once gloves are on, do not touch your face, hair, or foam. That's cross-contamination. Always place tools back in the correct bag as soon as you're done with them. Don't make a set-aside pile. If you touch something by mistake, like dropping a comb, you must stop, sanitize, and replace it. Even posture matters. Stand upright, move with control. The examiner is watching your professionalism as much as your sanitation. Here are the mistakes I see all the time. Bags unlabeled. The examiner won't assume they'll just deduct points. Putting combs directly on the counter, not on a clean towel. Forgetting to spray the second time in spray, wipe, spray. Using one towel for multiple surfaces, single use only. Touching your face or uniform once gloves are on. Avoid these and you'll already be ahead of half the students in the room. Here's what the examiner is literally checking off. Hands washed properly. gloves applied in front of examiner, surface disinfected with spray wipe spray, bags labeled and items separated, tools placed neatly on sanitized towel. Each one of these is easy points, as long as you show it clearly. Sanitation isn't just about being clean, it's about passing. Do it right, and you've secured free points before the real services even start. Want my exact pre-exam checklist to practice at home? The link is below. And don't forget to like and subscribe, because in the next episodes, we'll tackle even more TDLR exam steps. Don't risk wasting $300 on retakes. Learn the Texas way and pass with confidence.